Welcome back. The controversial Sunburn festival has finally got the nod from the government. 3 days festival will be flagged off on Tuesday. The organizers say due to the lengthy procedures, they got a clearance a little late. They are expecting a crowd of over 60,000 people for the festival. This time, the organizers have also arranged for a team of 162 medical professionals at the venue.
Sunburn Festival organizers addressed a media conference in Kandoli on Monday. Harinder Singh, Vice Chairman of Percept Limited, said that Sunburn event employs more than 3,000 employees. He said that music is a serious business in Goa and Goa should create music tourism in the coming years.
Every time Sunburn happens anywhere in the world, it will carry Goa with it because Sunburn is Goa and Goa is Sunburn. Now that's the beginning of Sunburn. This year, of course, we've had a few hiccups. I think the media has been pretty helpful in creating the buzz for Sunburn. We've been in the newspapers every second day with some good things, some not so good things. Let me just put all these doubts to rest. We've consistently been in touch with the regulatory bodies, the government, various departments. Not even for a moment did we lose contact. Permissions were never denied, but there's a process.
This time Sunburn is spread over twice the size last year. Organizers say various safety, security and CSR measures have been put in place. Security and safety measures for Sunburn: 5 parking grounds, 8 shuttle buses, 2 towing vans, 1,305 security guards, sniffer dogs and network of 100 CCTV cameras, 162 medical professionals, stretchers and medical centers at venue, food waste management, garbage management with NGOs' help. This is the 5th consecutive year Sunburn Festival is being organized on the Kandoli beach. Event gets engulfed in controversy every year over the permissions and government clearances as the destination is overcrowded. This time too, it could not avoid the controversy. Our reporter Basuri Desai in Kandoli with video journalist Omkar Farari.
The Election Commission will appoint a committee to keep a check on the paid news during election. If any media is found guilty in the paid news case, then the matter would be referred to the Press Council of India. The Election Commission will carry out a special enrollment campaign from 2nd to the 10th of January to enroll left-out young eligible voters.
The special committee to be appointed by Election Commission to keep a watch on paid news will comprise of electoral officers and senior journalists from electronic and print media.
We have constituted a committee. Any such instances which come into that committee will be looked into it. It is headed by joint CEO and there is a media personnel is there from Doordarshan, Akashvani and other media persons are there. They will look into that. Once they come to know that there is a sound in it, I think that they will also further recommend to Election Commission for forwarding into Press Council of India to take action. 2nd January to 10th January. In this period, we are going to enroll as much as possible left out voters, the residual voters, mainly targeting the young voters, particularly at the age of 18th and 19th.
Electoral officers have identified 70 sensitive polling stations across the state. Kumar Swamy says the figure may vary. 25 companies of Central Paramilitary Forces will be roped in for election bandobast. Around 10,000 government employees will be involved in election duty.
Sensitive, as per the previous elections, there are about 65 to 70 sensitive polling stations, but it is an ongoing process. We are going to watch the situation in the coming few days. And few more sensitive polling stations may be added or some may be taken off the list depending upon the situation.
Kumar Swamy says there is no bar to receive inputs and hear the panchayats on Regional Plan 2021 when the poll code is in force. But the plan cannot be finalized during this period.
The plan was prepared and it was already put into public notice domain already. The process of public consultation is going on.
A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
A golden tribute to Devanand Saab. Margao Front had organized a musical concert to honor late Devanand at Margao. People at Anafont Garden were spellbound with songs of Devanand Saab.
The program was inaugurated by educationist Prabhakar Timle, Chairman of OBC Corporation Girish Thodankar, President Viraj Wadikar, Eknath Shirodkar, Prashant Kamath and others were present at the function. Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2011 winner Akash Telugu, Pratima Valvatkar, Rajesh Madgaonkar and others sang some of the latest songs of Devanand.
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, कहीं भी देना ये रातें, कहीं भी देना ये, माने ना मेरा दिल दीवाना, हाय रे हाय, माने ना मेरा दिल दीवाना। ख्वाब हो तुम या कोई हकीकत कौन तुम बतलाओ, हे देर से कितनी दूर खड़ी हो और करीब आ जाओ।
A reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Thousand smiles across Goa are displayed at the Marquess Palace in Panji. Pictures of smiling Goans starting from the chief of the state to an Aam Aadmi are on display. This event is supported by the Department of Goa Tourism.
The photo exhibition of Smiling Faces of Goans 1000 Smiles Edition 3 was inaugurated on Monday. It was inaugurated by the Director of Tourism, Swapnil Naik. Right from Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to a common man, you will find their smiling faces over here.
It's a different kind of a concept. First of all, you make the people who are featured in the photo smile, and then seeing those smiles, you also feel happy about it. I think that's a very good concept. The Department of Tourism has now made it as part of the calendar of events which we support. We support certain events every year. And one of them is the Smiles of Goa. Last 3 years we have been supporting them.
IPS Atmaram Deshpande said that every year this exhibition receives a good response.
This is not making any statement. This is not in favor of anything. This is totally apolitical, has got nothing to do with politics. It has got nothing to do with any commercial activity. It's purely for fun, and it is for people of Goa.
A reporter Basuri Desai in Panji with video journalist Ravindra Darvi.
It's time for another short break. Stay tuned.